Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Surigao Education Center.
Introducing Juicy Clothes, 7% first in the juicy freshness, juicy smelling, so juicy, deliciously good, so juicy, deliciously fun. High and happy, feels so fly and funky. I'm okay, all is free, it's me all around me. I'm a juicy girl, so far so sweet. I'm a delicious, juicy girl. I'm a juicy girl, so far so sweet. I'm a delicious, juicy girl. Everything is juicy here in Juicy Clothes.
What you saw before is just the beginning.
Alright, and the winner is from the elementary category.
And the award goes to
Bukuan City Special Education Center! Alright!
for the Voters' Choice Award.
Alright, for the Voters' Choice Award, it will be awarded by Mr. Bernard Panizales, of course, Martin D., Jamie Pera, and Mr. Edlon Oncoy of Cosmetic Asia. And our winner, 2,710.
And that's equivalent to 82.2%.
82.2% of the total score.
And the award goes to Surigao Education Center.
Alright, Surigao Education Center, with a total votes of 2,710. Followed, of course,
And they will receive
by Yugan Central
they'll receive a giveaways, plaque, and 10,000 pesos cash prize.
Yes. There you go. Alright. We'll be announcing.
May pahabol.
May pahabol ba?
Best
choreography in high school.
High school. For elementary category.
Yes.
Ito na.
Okay. Ano ba?
Garnering an average of
97.53%.
wow!
Whoa!
From what school?
Alright. Alright.
And they're from Bayugan Central Elementary School. You will be going home 10,000 pesos plus a computer showcase.
Is Mr. Ingi Bogor and John Lee. And of course, Sir James. Sir James.
Okay, the
Sir
winner.
Ingi Bogor is joining us here. And Miss John May of DepEd.
And the winner will receive giveaways, plaque, and 5,000 pesos cash prize.
From Cosmetic Asia.
And
masira pa yung computer ng mama. Congratulations.
thank you, Sir Nicky, and
Okay. Thank you.
okay, and now for the grand prize.
Grand prize.
Ang pinakahintay.
We'll receive a plaque,
Giveaways
10,000 pesos in cash.
from the Jessica Love
Yes,
and
and of course,
computer showcase.
showcase from Mama CLC
Mama
right there. Okay.
And to present the award,
Okay. And of course, to present the award is Mr. Edlon Coy, and the chairman of the board, Mr. Bernard Martin D. And of course, from Mama CLC, Jose Roberto Lastimoso and Mr. Joseph Bertolaso. Of course, the kanilang HR, Ms. Clarice.
prize ng grand prize winner ng ating elementary category, Bayugan Central Elementary School.
Alright, are we guys ready now? Alright, go! Live kasi tayo eh. Ganyan ang mga lagi
Walang
pag live. Okay.
With a total average of 80%.
Alright.
And they're from high school category goes to Agusa National High